Hey everyone, Adam here with a quick guide on how to add chapters to your YouTube videos. So you get those nice labeled segments for your viewers on both PC and mobile, so they can skip ahead to what's important to them so you don't lose them. First, you want to go to any video you have the ability to edit. You can do this through YouTube itself or through the YouTube Studio. It doesn't really matter. You just want to make sure you get to the editing page for your video. Once you're on the screen where you edit your title and description, you just need to go down and insert your chapters. To do this, you will simply list a timestamp and a title within the video description. Now, it is important to note that you must have a 0.00 timestamp or the chapters will not appear at all. This also means that if you ever want to disable all your chapters, all you need to do is go in and delete that first timestamp. If you're struggling to think of good ways to use YouTube chapters, just think of how you most likely scrub through videos to find the parts you're interested in, then apply that to your own videos. Whether you have a tutorial divided into steps, a travel video divided into different stops, or a gaming compilation broken down by clip, there are a ton of awesome ways to use this new feature. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial on labeled YouTube chapters and segments useful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and a comment below. You can also subscribe to the channel by clicking this button. It helps out a ton. And after all of that, be sure to check out the next video right up here. Of course, as always, thank you guys for watching.